Alright, what's up, guys? Today we're playing Anomaly Hospital or Animal Hospital, whatever you guys want to say. Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't made a new video, so yeah, we're gonna be playing Anomaly Hospital. I played this game a little bit, not that much, but I never made a video about this game. So let's go. Start now. Work at the hospital until you find out what's really happening. Waiting for players. Okay, so I'm actually pretty excited for this video. You know, I wanna come back into my channel because it's been extremely long I haven't made a video, so it's time. Anyways, so yep, we have to wait for visitors. That's the first person. Check in 2 patients. What? How do I already have 2 patients with her? Hey, I'm here for my appointment. One sec. Yeah, we don't have the cams right now because they're not really working. Okay, so snap notes, take photo. And you have to see if they're anomalies, you know? Nah, they look pretty normal. Okay. So, yep. We're just gonna, Okay, so now we have to take the badge. And I'll finish the check-in. Okay. Follow the patient to the room. Got it. What? Okay. Hello? Wait, someone's... Wait, why is it like... Yeah, I have none of these. Okay. So someone's in here right now? Okay. Boom. If you guys hear music, that's just my brother, He's just listening to it. Okay, anyways. Yep, we're done. Okay, what's gonna say on the screen? Herbs. Yeah, this is herbs. Okay. So, it's this thing. Yes, so you have like a blocked nose or something? Like what? A stomach ache. Oh. Alright, see ya. Alright, while that's happening. Oh, wait. Or next. This person does not look normal. Okay. Let's just see the photo. Yes, it looks normal. Okay. Oh, I think it tells us like the patients how much we have to check in, yeah? And then the next shift. Okay. I got room 2. Come on. Follow me this way. Okay, why are we so quiet? Okay, guys, yep. Come in here. Thank you. Alright, now we have to see what's wrong with this patient. Take DNA sample. Ouch. Yeah, it always hurts for everyone. Yeah, every time I be quiet, I swear I still hear noises. Not people talking, I don't know, okay, I keep saying yeah, but I still don't really know how it sounds like. It's just so it's like a TV, but it's like lighting, like eye drops. Got it right here. Alright, I think this game will get creepier. I know, window, but the doctor is arriving. Why's the doctor look like that? Wait, is the doctor like a... Oh my god, I forgot what it's called. Hi, doctor. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Hello. Alright, what's up? Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working. What? I will fix the shutters and security cameras for you. Hey, let's go. Wait. Oh, what is there? Oh, wait. Yo, I can't even say visitors. What the? Okay. Oh, wait. So there's no animal deaths and there's no anomalies. I think that's a good thing. Patients treated 2. Okay. Next night. Shift 2. Okay, let's go. Alright, now we have to check in 3 patients. And the heart. Bro. Who are you? You know, I kind of got scared there for a second. I don't know why. Hello, you're gonna break my glass? I'm just gonna ignore it. Yup, you look normal. Okay. So it's basically like a printer, honestly. I got room 5. Wait, no one even went in room 3 or room 2. Wait, is room 5 like a different room? Or is it normal? This, yeah, it looks the same. Feeling unwell, we're on it. Alright, first of all, is that me? I think that's me. I don't know what. Yo, you're taking a while. Yeah, but what are those like weird lines on her? Are those like tattoos? They look normal, so I'm just gonna leave it, you know? Sometimes you just gotta deal with it. And also, make sure to subscribe. Because that really helped me right now. Haven't made a video in so long, so if you guys subscribe, then thank you. So, yep, make sure to subscribe. Anyways, let's get back in the video. Okay, so now, treatment. Medkit, okay. So this is basically like rivals, you know, like medkit. I don't even know why I'm talking about rivals right now. We're supposed to help people, and I'm just making jokes. Okay. Whoa. Wait. Do you know what I just realized? Yo, what? Okay, wait. I need to get some. Yeah, I just drank some coffee. 77, okay. Wait. Oh my god, look at my glass. I didn't even realize that. Wait, wait, isn't this a doctor? Why? You can, okay. Yeah, I know what's going on. Yo, so I keep hearing things in the hole. Oh my god, I'm checking the security cameras. If you ever say that, I'm creeped. Please, don't be anything scary, bro. Okay. That person's normal. Time to check the photos. Okay, yep. Normal. Okay, done. Let me just... hello? Oh, my bad. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, you got room 5. Someone's in room 2. Take DNA. Yo, why are you singing out? You are a doctor, okay? Wait. Ron from accounting patient. Okay. Alright, anyways, let's see what we get. It's probably gonna be like eye drops. Oh, never mind. Herbs. Wait, what? Herbs and maple syrup. What does maple syrup help you with? I actually don't know. Maple syrup, which is from Canada, pretty sure. And herbs. Perfect. Boom. Boom. Alright, you done? Yep. Next patient. Oh, yeah, room 5. Okay, let's go, guys. Alright, let's see what you need. Yeah, I'm pretty good at this game. I actually did not know I would actually, like, you know, be a pro. Well, I'm probably not a pro. I'd probably say, probably like a starter, you know? Alright, guys. Time to see what we get. Herbs, bandages. I mean, you're not bleeding anywhere, but okay, I guess. They can't just buy bandages. Why did they come to a whole hospital for bandages? Oh wait, a med kit. Okay, I didn't see that. Yo, my brother keeps on listening to music, bro. Like, the mic probably can't hear that, but the doctor is arriving. Please do not do the cutscene. I need to get there. Perfect. But I swear, when the doctor was laying down, guys, am I tripping? I don't know. New, what? The supplies. Yes, go! It's open. Limited time each shift. Oh, okay. Wait. Yo, I need a taser. Is it a taser or no? Oh, shift 3. Well, what is this? Check-in. Well, they're checking faster. Bet. Okay, sure. And, oh, wait, how much money? 190. Bruh, are you serious right now? Our first anomaly. Yep, I'm closing you. This is outrageous. You know the door's open, right? And why is he keeping looking sideways? Okay. Hello, lady. It's time for you to check in, I guess. I want to check in as a patient. Okay, everyone here is a patient, so let's do this quick. Okay. I forgot about the cameras, bro. I barely use those, so I'm gonna use it. No slime on the ground. Okay, perfect. You are good to go. Checking 5 patients. This is 1. Should say 4. Yup. You know, first I'm gonna check in all the patients and then I'll just do it. You know. What? Oh, why did you look at me like that? I hear things. I see things. Yo. Wait. Do we all see things? Okay, what's up? It's a dangerous job. Yo, can you please stop stressing me out? Like in real life. Yo, why do you keep on looking like that? Okay, whatever. Can't. Yeah, you look pretty good. Okay, yep. You're fine. Perfect. Okay. 3 patients. Wait, it should be. Wait, what? Wasn't about 3. There we go. Alright, next patient. Is that a cat? I have an appointment. Okay. Yo, why are like, skin workers coming in here? Okay, you look pretty good. Yup, perfect. You are back in Roblox. I mean, what? This is an NPC. Who am I talking to? Wait. Oh! Why did I actually get so scared? Yo, why did I get so scared? Why did I get so scared? Hello? Oh, my bad. Also, wait, what? I don't think you're supposed to, like, touch the schools. Yup. Wait, it's actually... Oh, wait, how do you already do that? Okay. A med kit, got it. Where's the med kits at? Right here. Room 7. Wait, what? Alright, so are you done? Yep. Let's go. Wait, that was actually so scary, bro. I was like, yo, what happened? Yo, chill. Yep. I feel like this one's gonna be an anomaly. Wait, what? That's weird. It's about to be 1. Yup, it's 1. You know what? I'm gonna start actually doing the patience because it's gonna take a while. Alright, this one. Oh, I remember you. I'm just gonna make you wait for that long. Perfect. Yeah, I know. I know what I'm doing. Yo, why'd they hire me? Alright, come on. Wait, actually, no, it's probably already done. Never mind. Wait. Yeah, it's already. Yeah, it's already done. Okay, guys. Okay, it's time to. Wait, what? What? Okay. So it's just both of these. And it's this thing. Done. Okay. Yep. Now, what do you need, bud? Maple syrup? Anything else? Nope. Yeah, why is everyone maple syrup? Aren't they hungry or something? Wait a sec. Do you know what I just realized? Why am I giving them badges, but they're not even paying me? Like, because in real doctors, you guys know that we have to pay them first, right? Hey, where's my money, boy? Yeah, where's my money? Okay. Never mind. Oh, wait. Recovering. Oh! Yo. There's something standing right there. Yeah, nah, this game's creeping me out. You're obviously an anomaly. Another anomaly is just going. Yo, why that scared me so much? Guys, is this supposed to be an anomaly? I'm here for my appointment. I think this is an anomaly, right? But I feel like something screw's gonna happen. Okay. Yeah, I think this is normal. It's probably like, she looks like nervous. Wait, there's another patient? Oh. Oh, this, I love this one, bro. Okay, wait. Red, red, pink, yellow. Red, red, pink, yellow. Oh, let's go. Okay. Is there another one? Complete. Only one, bruh. Okay, never mind. What does she need? Bandages? Wow. I'm just gonna try to guess, like, remember. Okay. Bandages, herbs, and thermal. Okay. Pretty sure it was this one. And it was this one, right? Okay. Let's go. Okay. You guys be at 67 Sunday. 67? 67? No? Okay. I don't even know why I tried to make that joke. Recovering, got it. Okay, next patient. Ouch. Yeah, if you guys hear songs, that's my brother again. Sorry for the songs. Hey, if you guys have watched this and you're liking this so far, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And comment down below if, like, which emotion were you thinking about, like, in this video. Probably, like, excited for this video or anything like that. Alright, thanks for watching my videos. My voice is a little, like, squeaky, you know? Herbs, okay. So yeah, I'm just a little kid that's trying to improve on the YouTube channel, so please support me by subscribing to this video, and yeah, that's all I have to say. Okay, that doctor is arriving. Alright. Yo, yeah, the cameras work now. Unstable, okay. That's an interesting word. Make sure to use photos and cameras. Stay alert. I will unlock the taser. Use it wisely. Hey, let's go. Wait, there's only one anomaly? Yo! What just happened? Oh wait, I need that. Okay. Alright guys, I don't even know what just happened, bro. She literally just ran in here and just said help. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. I will make a part 2 of Anomaly Hospital. Thanks for watching. Bye. We are peace. Woo.